Welcome to SomeGuy's Garage. It's Tool Test Tuesday, and today we're going to take a look at the Aircat 1/4-inch air ratchet.
Stay tuned till the end to see how it places on the tool score charts.
So let's take a quick look at how it works. I have it hooked up to my shop air. Regulator set at 100 psi, and we're working through 50 feet of hose. So pretty straightforward operation. There's a paddle on the front that you can use to actuate it. Forward and reverse is up here on the back. A little bit hard to get to. Can regulate with the trigger a little bit, but it is difficult to hold it steady. Even when using a palm. All right, let's take a look at how well the air ratchet works. So we've got our socket, we're in forward. Not bad, put it in reverse here. Pretty good. Go up our drive size here. Back into forward. I guess it's already tight, so we'll start in reverse here. Looks pretty good. Back into forward. So not a huge amount of torque, but enough to get snug, and we can still snug it down like a normal ratchet with it after. So since I don't have any larger quarter drive sockets, we'll just do the one size bigger here with an adapter on the socket. Pretty good. Flipping directions again. So yeah, works pretty good. So finally it's time to score the Aircat 1/4-inch air ratchet. For value, we're going to give it a 5 out of 100. Pretty much an average showing. It's not the most expensive air ratchet out there. So it's a decent value, but it is around $100, and so also not the cheapest. And for air ratchets, which are kind of going out of favor, especially air-powered ones, it's not really the best $100 spent. Quality, it's going to get a 6 out of 10. It's quite well made. You know, it feels sturdy and solid in hand. It's unfortunate that they've gone with an entirely plastic body on it, so this is all just a hard plastic. Even the trigger, it's not a rubberized coating or anything. There is a bit of rubber on the head to protect that, but overall quality, it's fairly well built, but it's nothing spectacular. Ergonomics, it's going to get a 5 out of 10. The handle is actually quite comfortable to use. It sits well in hand. It's nice size. It's not overly heavy and fairly compact for a 1/4-inch air ratchet. So pretty decent in terms of ergonomics. Performance-wise, it's also going to get a 5 out of 10. Works quite well. It's not the strongest, but that's kind of what you expect out of a 1/4-inch air ratchet. The other great thing about these is they are quite quiet relative to a lot of other air ratchets, so it did gain a point or two for how quiet it is. But overall, it does quite well for what it is, but nothing spectacular. And finally, usefulness. Like I said earlier, the air ratchets in general are kind of going out of favor, especially with a lot of the cordless tools today, and not really something I go for every day unless I'm doing things with, say, nylock nuts where you don't really want to use an impact wrench or something like that, and you just need some smooth torque, but it's annoying to do with a ratchet, with a regular manual ratchet. So for usefulness, it's only going to get a 4 out of 10. Now, if we total all that up, that gives us an overall score of 25 out of 50. So right in the middle, decent tool, certainly worth having, but nothing that's spectacular or stands out above and beyond some other tools out there.
And here's where it places on the tool score charts. I also added in the older DeWalt Impact from last week so you can see how it compares relative to the new one. Go check out that review if you haven't seen it yet.
So that's the Aircat 1/4-inch air ratchet. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.